Step into the 2015 Mini Convertible. This two-door, four-passenger convertible just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, a power convertible roof, remote keyless entry, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.